Welcome to Graton Resort Casino, 630 Park Steakhouse. This is Chef Dave talking about our holiday dishes. And it doesn't have to be your traditional holiday dishes. Then we got something fun and exciting to do. And now we have some parsnip puree we're going to show you today. First, I boil the parsnip potatoes in some water with some salt so they're nice and tender. In a small separate pot, I took the olive oil and garlic and simmered it until it was nice and soft, with a nice little golden brown color to it. And then I placed it in a blender and blended it until it's smooth and set it aside. The next step, once the parsnips are nice and tender, in a separate pot, we're going to heat up the milk and the cream to get it to warm. Then we're going to add the parsnips to the blender. We're going to blend them with the milk and cream, add the garlic puree, and the rest of the seasonings. That's going to be some sea salt and white pepper. You may take a couple times in a blender to scrape down the sides to get it nice and smooth. And once it's blended, it's ready to go. Place it in the bowl, garnish. This dish can be made in advance. You can make it in advance, store it in your refrigerator, put it in a casserole dish, and heat it up before. I recommend no more than 2 or 3 days before your holiday meal to have it ready. Hope you enjoy the parsnip puree, and we look forward to seeing you at 630 Park Steakhouse.